Ever wondered what's behind the recent surge in Ondo's market? Let's delve into it. You see, the surge in Ondo's market can be traced back to BlackRock's recent strategic move. This move has sparked a renewed interest in traditional assets, and in doing so, has shone a spotlight on real-world asset or RWA tokens like Ondo. RWA tokens represent a unique intersection of traditional and crypto finance, providing investors with a unique opportunity to diversify their portfolios. Ondo, being one of these tokens, is now basking in this renewed attention, but as with anything in the fast-paced world of crypto, it's not just about the rise, it's about maintaining stability amidst the surge. So the move by BlackRock has certainly stirred the market, but is it all smooth sailing for Ondo? Stick around to find out. Despite the surge, Ondo has had its fair share of challenges. Let's explore them. As Ondo continues to ascend toward the coveted $1 resistance level, it has faced hurdles in maintaining stability. The journey upwards is rarely a smooth one, and Ondo is no exception. The crypto world is a volatile one, and even with a bullish trend, maintaining a steady climb can be a Herculean task. Investors, ever the optimists, are holding their breath for a potential price increase if the $1 level is breached. This optimism is not without reason. As anyone familiar with the crypto space will tell you, breaching a resistance level can often lead to a strong upward momentum. This is the hope for Ondo as it inches closer to the $1 mark. However, optimism must be tempered with caution. The total value locked, or TVL, has remained stagnant. In the world of decentralized finance, the TVL is a key indicator of the amount of capital that is committed to a particular protocol. A stagnant TVL can be a cause for concern, as it indicates a lack of new capital entering the protocol. This could potentially hinder Ondo's ability to breach the $1 resistance level. Investors therefore must tread lightly. The potential rewards may be great, but so too are the risks. A keen eye must be kept on the TVL and other key indicators to ensure that the potential for rewards outweighs the inherent risks. As always, the key to successful investing is a balanced approach that takes into account both the potential for gains and the possibility of losses. While the potential for a price increase is there, caution is advised, but what do the technical indicators say? Technical indicators are giving mixed signals for Ondo. Let's decode them. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, technical indicators serve as navigational tools, helping us to forecast potential price movements. For Ondo, these tools are currently sending out mixed signals, making it a bit of a challenge to predict the road ahead. Firstly, we have the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a popular momentum oscillator. Right now, the RSI is indicating bullish momentum for Ondo. This suggests that the buying pressure is outweighing the selling pressure, hinting at the possibility of an upward price movement. However, on the other side of the coin, we have the Fibonacci extension levels. These levels are commonly used to identify potential resistance points. For Ondo, the Fibonacci extension levels are pointing towards $1.10 and $1.27 as potential resistance levels. These are the price points where selling pressure could potentially outweigh buying pressure, causing the price to stall or even reverse. But wait, there's more. We also need to consider the possibility of a bearish move. If the bears take control, the price could be pushed below 68 cents. This is a scenario that no investor wants to see, but it's always wise to keep all possibilities on the table. So, the technical indicators paint a mixed picture. But what's the investor sentiment looking like? Investor sentiment and network growth are crucial factors in a coin's performance. What's the scenario for Ondo? Diving into the world of investor sentiment, it's interesting to note that the MVRV ratio and the weighted sentiment indicator are reflecting a positive outlook. The MVRV ratio, or the market value to realized value ratio, is a key metric used in the crypto world. It compares the market value of a coin to its realized value, helping investors gauge whether a coin is over or undervalued. For Ondo, a high MVRV ratio indicates that the market is valuing the coin higher than its realized value, a sign that investor sentiment is on the upswing. On the other hand, the weighted sentiment indicator is another tool that helps us understand investor sentiment. This indicator uses social media data to measure the mood of investors. For Ondo, it's showing a positive sentiment. This means that the chatter around Ondo in the crypto community is largely optimistic, further boosting the positive investor sentiment. Now let's shift gears and talk about network growth. Network growth refers to the increase in the number of transactions or the number of active addresses on a blockchain. For Ondo, the network growth has been on an upward trajectory. This is a positive sign as it indicates an increasing number of investors are getting involved with Ondo. More participants mean more transactions, leading to a more robust and secure network. In simple terms, it's like a bustling marketplace where the more people that are involved, the more vibrant and dynamic it becomes. Taking a step back, it's clear that both investor sentiment and network growth for Ondo are painting a positive picture. However, remember that the crypto market is notoriously volatile and can change in a blink of an eye. It's always essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. With a positive investor sentiment and increased network growth, Ondo seems to be in a good place. But as always, the market is full of surprises. Let's sum up what we've discussed today. We've taken a deep dive into the recent surge of Ondo's market, brought into the limelight by BlackRock's shift in focus towards traditional assets. However, it's not all smooth sailing for Ondo, as it grapples with challenges in maintaining stability, even while it ascends towards the $1 resistance level. We've also explored the mixed signals from technical indicators, with the relative strength index pointing towards bullish momentum, while Fibonacci extension levels hint at potential resistance at $1.10 and $1.27. A bearish move, on the other hand, could push the price below 68 cents. Lastly, we've looked at the bright side. The positive investor sentiment reflected in the market value to realized value ratio and the weighted sentiment indicator. Not to mention the encouraging increase in network growth. So that's the story of Ondo's recent surge. As we've seen, there's more to it than meets the eye. Until next time, keep your eyes on the market.